Is your 2013 Ford F-150 key fob not working? Don't panic. Most issues are simple to resolve. First, the most common culprit is a dead battery. Replace the CR2032 battery located inside the fob. Use a coin or screwdriver to gently pry open the case, replace the battery, ensuring correct polarity, and reassemble. If that doesn't work, the fob may need to be relearned or reprogrammed to your vehicle. This involves cycling the ignition and pressing buttons in a specific sequence, syncing the fob's ID with the truck's computer. Detailed steps can be found in your owner's manual or online. These two steps solve the majority of key fob problems. If basic fixes don't work, the issue may be in your truck's body control module. This central component processes key fob signals and controls vehicle functions. Try a BCM reset to clear stored errors. Disconnect the vehicle's battery for 10 to 15 minutes, then reconnect it. This resets the module and allows a fresh start. If the reset doesn't resolve the issue, consult a professional. A faulty receiver module or wiring problems may require dealership diagnostics and repair. Remember to protect your key fob from extreme conditions like high heat, cold, or water to prevent future issues.